Polite expressions. Mastering introductions over the phone. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into a very important topic. Using polite expressions when introducing yourself over the phone. As we navigate our daily lives, we often find ourselves in situations where we need to introduce ourselves over the phone. This could be for a job interview, a business call, or even an informal chat. Remember, the way you introduce yourself can set the tone for the entire conversation, so it's important to get it right. Polite expressions aren't just fancy words or phrases. They're tools for showing respect, establishing rapport, and creating a positive atmosphere during the conversation. In the world of telephone etiquette, using polite expressions when introducing yourself can go a long way in making a good impression. Here are a few common polite expressions that you can use. May I please speak with? This is a respectful way to ask for someone. I'm calling regarding. This is a polite way to introduce the purpose of your call. Could I possibly? This is a polite way to ask for something. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but also your tone and attitude. Speak clearly and sound interested in the conversation. Let's go through some scenarios to see these polite expressions in action. 1. Answering a call for a job interview. Good morning, afternoon, evening. This is your name. May I please speak with interviewer's name? 2. Making a business call. Hello, my name is your name from your company. I'm calling regarding purpose of your call. 3. Asking for information. Hello, this is your name. Could I possibly get some information on subject? In each of these examples, we are introducing ourselves politely and professionally, setting the stage for a successful conversation. Now that we've learned about these polite expressions, it's time to practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become using these phrases. Role-play different scenarios, vary your tone, and remember to speak clearly. Polite expressions become second nature with practice. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. Now you have the knowledge and tools to introduce yourself politely over the phone. Always remember, your introduction can set the tone for the rest of the conversation, so make it count. Keep practicing, stay positive, and keep your conversations respectful and professional. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, happy learning!